Welcome, everyone. Today, let's explore the world of versatile laptop desks, the ultimate solution to your comfort needs. With the rise of remote work and flexible lifestyles, the demand for ergonomic and adaptable furniture has never been higher. The multifunctional laptop desk we are discussing is a game changer, offering a dedicated slot for your tablet and phone, spacious accommodation for your laptop and accessories, and portability for use anywhere. It requires no assembly, is easy to clean, and has received high praise from customers. Say goodbye to cramped spaces and hello to comfort and convenience with this practical laptop desk. Whether you're a remote worker, a student, or someone who values a well-designed workspace, this laptop desk is tailor-made for you. It's time to embrace a new era of convenience and ease. Stay comfortable and stay productive.